Okay, so this video is going to just walk you through the basics of getting a domain name through NameCheap. So basically, you come to NameCheap here, and you type it in to this window in the middle, your domain that you'd like to have, and then click search. If the domain name is available, it'll show a little check mark there, and it'll tell you this domain is available. If they're having a special, which they are right now, then you'll have a nice lower price there, which is great. And all you have to do is click this plus cart to add that item to the cart. And then it'll show over here to the cart that it's ready to go. And if you click View Cart, that'll bring you in to show that the domain name is there. Verify that it is spelled correctly. Very important, because once you own it, you own it. There's no changing it. You want to be at least 2 years. It's not going to hurt to go for a longer period. The longer period you go for, the better, because then you're registered for that. You own it for that many years, and that tells the search engines that you're serious about what you're doing. The free WhoIsGuard keeps your information free or out of the public domain, so you don't get phone calls from other salesmen and stuff. So that's all we need, the domain name and the WhoIsGuard. We don't need anything else, so we click Confirm Order. And then you'll create an account because you're new to NameCheap, and so you'll come in and create a username, create a password, totally up to you what you do for those. And then enter your name and your last name and your email address. Uncheck this Sign Me Up box because we don't want to be signed up for the newsletter, and then create an account and continue. And that's it. And as you go through the rest of the process for checking out, they will ask you for your credit card information, and you can complete that. Once you complete all of that, then you'll be able to do the update of the domain name servers, which I've outlined in the email that I sent you.